Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ENZC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback continues after today, and is this pullback good or bad for you? Is this bullish or bearish? Well, it all depends on your perspective. What was your strategy going in? Meaning, if you're a flipper, if you're a day trader, and you bought right there, or you bought right there, and you were wanting to buy and sell within 22 minutes. Well, then from that perspective, from that strategy angle, yeah, the chart looks terrible for you. I mean, it just got even worse after today because the price pulled back that much more. However, if you care about something from a bigger picture point of view, just a broad sense, then today, nothing really happened. I mean, even, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from yesterday, but I talked about this green line here as support, and the price came down there, bounced right off of it. So it's not like that level of support was even violated. Now, even if it was violated, that would still, not affect the overall trend. But I mean, it didn't even violate it. It bounced right off it. And the reason why that level is important and why the overall standpoint, so big picture, emphasis on big picture, is still perfectly fine is if the price, goes down, who knows, maybe it even goes back down there and tests it again and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you still have? Well, very clearly, from the overall standpoint, you'd have lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, very clearly, I mean, with not even debatable, you'd still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what it's all about from a genuine bullish perspective. It's all about building those higher bases. And that's, the name of the game. Once more, I realize if you're a flipper and you bought right there, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I'm trying to really emphasize the fact that from the overarching standpoint, as long as the price builds those higher bases, that's what you want to see, and that's what it continues to be in play as of right now. So focus on those higher bases like it's been doing, and then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.